Welcome to our meditation channel. Today, we're going to share a special guided meditation to relieve stress and promote relaxation. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and let's embark on this journey of inner tranquility together. The intention here is to create a space just for you, away from distractions. Gently close your eyes and start connecting with your breath. Take a deep breath, filling your lungs with fresh air. Allow yourself to feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, inhaling and exhaling. As you breathe, let go of any thoughts and worries from the day. Now, imagine yourself in a beautiful garden, surrounded by serene and lush nature. Smell the flowers and listen to the birds singing. This is your safe haven, a place where you can completely relax. Visualize yourself sitting on a comfortable bench in the garden. Feel the softness of the seat beneath you. The plants around you are full of life and positive energy. Let that energy flow into your body, nurturing you with every breath. Bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the cool air entering through your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then release the breath through your mouth, letting go of any tension or worry. With each inhale, imagine that you're receiving revitalizing energy. Now, direct your attention to your muscles. Consciously relax any tension that may be present. Start from your feet and work your way up, releasing the muscles in your legs, abdomen, back, shoulders, and neck. Allow yourself to feel the sensation of weight being released from your body. As you deepen into a state of relaxation, notice how your mind also becomes calm. Let any thoughts that arise simply pass by without holding on to them. This is your moment of tranquility, free from any concerns. Take this moment of silence to connect with yourself. Allow yourself to feel the inner peace that resides within you. Feel the flow of your breath, the gentle and steady rhythm that keeps you alive and present. Now, think of something you're grateful for in your life. It can be something small or significant, personal or universal. Feel gratitude filling your heart, radiating a sense of peace and contentment. While you continue in this state of serenity, let go of any remaining tension in your body or mind. Imagine each exhale carrying away stress, worry, and anxiety, leaving only space for inner peace. Now, bring your attention back to the present moment. Feel your body at rest, appreciating the sense of calm and tranquility you've cultivated. This is your inner sanctuary, a place to return to whenever you need peace and serenity. In this moment of silence, allow yourself to enjoy this inner peace. Savor the deep relaxation you've achieved. Feel free to remain in this state for as long as you like, nourishing yourself with the restorative energy of the present moment. As this guided meditation comes to an end, gently bring your attention back to the environment around you. Open your eyes softly and carry with you this sense of calm and tranquility throughout your day. Remember that you always have the power to reconnect with inner peace, even in challenging times. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation to relieve stress and promote relaxation. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel for more meditation and well-being content. Until next time.